So, from the lobby, ito yung ating function room. Very, very spacious function room. And as you can see, may ongoing construction pa yung ating Tower 3 at Tower 4. So, ito yung ating Tower 4. And this is our Tower 3. We're almost done na tong Tower 3. Turn over na this year. And Tower 4 natin will be next year. So, now we're going to the gym and the game room. So, we're going down here. Ito yung ating game room. Ito both mga indoor, ito yung ating indoor gym. Yeah, ating indoor gym. And game room. Here's the game room. Yan. So, ito po yung ating game room. There, ito po. Meron tayong billiards. Anong tawag dito, sir?
Football.
Football. Galing. Tapos, ito, sir.
Lego, tsaka po, dart.
Dart.
Ito sa bula. Ayun po sa...
ito, sir.
Yan po, dart.
Ito, yan, may dart. Yan. So, hindi ka maboboard. Dahil sa mga board games. Ito. Ito naman sa playtime for the kids, no?
Pinaka-upuan po.
Upuan. Ito, para sa mga kids. Puzzle. No? Yan, Scrabble. Yan, tower. Ito, yung tower checkers. Yun. So, meron tayong, ito yung ating